it's your girl Just Behave, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I got these really cute snake foil nails. So we're going to start off with Young Nails Speed Clear, and I brought this from their website, which is much cheaper than Amazon. So make sure you check the prices before you purchase it. But I really like the Speed Clear because it sets really fast. I just went ahead and applied it to the tip, just a thin layer. And now I'm going to go in with the transfer foil base from Young Nails. I don't recommend it because it didn't come with instructions, and I didn't like how the foil had transferred with it. So that's just my personal opinion. I wouldn't recommend it. And I also got the foil from Nail Supply Glamour. So if you're trying to get you some cute snake print foils, go to Nail Supply Glamour, sis, and it's really affordable. So I'm just going in, you guys, and this is my first time doing this. I had this little tool that I brought from AliExpress like a long time ago, and I see people press and rub the foils with it, so I decided to try and use it. So yeah. And as you guys can see, like, it was real blotchy. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give, and I think it's because Young Nails didn't give me proper instruction. So I just applied another base coat of clear acrylic, and then I added more foil transfer to it and tried to fill in the gaps. Then I decided to just go in on the next nail with the Nail Supply Glamour foil gel, which came with instructions. It said to basically apply a coat on the nail and then cure for 1 to 2 minutes, and I appreciated that. You see that? Instructions. Cough, cough, Young Nails. But yeah, y'all. So I went ahead and tried again, pushing it in there, pressing it in there, trying to get, you know, everything covered so that I can go ahead and move on with my life because I don't have time to play games with this. So as you guys can see, it came out much better, not as many gaps. I was rubbing it to make sure that it transferred all the way. And then I went ahead and did that with the rest of the nail. And as you guys can see, periods, giving you snake. We're about to continue or whatever. And this is the last nail, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Glitter Bells glitter, and it's the color Royalty. And as you guys can see, it is so freaking pretty. Like, look at that. So I basically applied the glitter just to fill in any gaps, you know, give the nail some dimension and just look real cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to the top of the nail and then drag it down, you know, so that it can have, like, you know, a glittery effect and look really nice when it's capped off and everything. It may look crazy now, but y'all, this nail set, it was the bomb. Like, I wish I did it on my own nails because it was that fire. A nice glitter can do a lot. And this is the color Buttercup from Nail House. Usually I use JC Beauty Concepts, but I just decided that this color was just gonna mesh better with the snake print. So I'm just applying it, you know, doing a quick little ombre on top of the glitter that I applied. And it's coming along really, really nice. And I'm using a really small brush. This is a C&D brush from, oh, I'm sorry. It's a size 10 brush from C&D. and I'll link it down below just in case you guys want to get it. But I really use this brush because it helps me with my precision, and I don't get it all over the cuticle. And when you work with small nail beds, or if you're doing your own nails, it comes in handy. So you might want to get it, sis. Now I'm just going to go ahead with encapsulation. So I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate the nail so that when I drill, my glitter and my design does not get drilled off. And then I can also build up the nail so that it can be, a little bit stronger than what it is. And I don't really have a bead method, y'all. I do as many beads as I need to. I don't have like a specific thing that I do. Some days my application is amazing. Some days my application is a mess. I'm just being honest. And here I'm just building up the apex of the nail. So I went ahead and shaped the nails. Now I'm just gonna go ahead with this bit that I got from Pana, I don't know how to pronounce it. And I'm just going around the cuticle. I don't usually use this on regular nails. I just decided to use it on my practice hand because it wasn't really that much work. I just wanted to flush it a little bit. And this is also a 5-in-1 bit by Pana as well, and I really love this bit. I'll link it down below. It just smooths out the nail. I don't have to do too much work with buffing or using multiple bits. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on with some more foils. So I had these foils for a really long time. I got them from AliExpress. They were really cheap. Like, I think I paid about $1 for them or something like that. And it's about like 12 different foils. I just felt like I didn't apply enough glitter to the nail, so I just wanted to accent and just add a little bit more depth to the nail. So I went ahead and picked out a foil and lined up some foil gel just around, the snake print, not directly on it, but just around like the dark marks. And then I cured it. And then I went ahead and applied the foil to it. And you guys are gonna see, like, it's just gonna light up the nail and make it look really, really nice and just accentuate the design. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and cured it, and I'm just rubbing it in to make sure that it goes on the nail. And look at that. It's just giving what it's supposed to give, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and top coat all of the nails, you guys. And it came out so cute. This design was like super easy to do. It's really pretty. It's really eye-catching and different. And I feel like it'll look really nice for the fall because it's just a nice nude gold tan vibe. It's really, really cute. And the polish that I'm using is iGel Beauty's top coat. It's a no cleanse top coat. I really like it. Y'all, look at that. Cute. Like, tell me that does not look fire. Like, come on now. Like, that is too fire. Look at that. She is cute, okay? She is really cute. I think I'm going to do this set on, like, my hands because I just can't take it. And it looks good matte, too, but overall, it's just so pretty. The glitter's coming through. the foil that I applied just to give it a little accent. The gold is coming through. The nude is coming through. The snake print is like snaking. Like a real snake could never look this good, okay? So I just went ahead and applied some cuticle oil just so that my practice hand can look a little bit, you know, ashy and realistic. So I recommend, if you're a beginner, get you a practice hand, sis, because look at this. It looks really nice, and if you need to take pictures, it'll look really nice on your Instagram. You just rub it in when she's ashy, and you good to go. All right, you guys, so this is the final look of the nails. Be sure to like and comment down below what videos you guys want me to do next, because your girl is officially back and better. I hope you guys are doing good and staying safe. But see you guys next time. Bye.